This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drive belt replacement. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal. Then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Remove the right side inner fender splash shield. Rotate the belt tensioner clockwise using a wrench on the pulley bolt to release tension on the drive belt. The tensioner can be locked in position by inserting a drill bit or other metal rod into the lock holes. Remove the drive belt from the tensioner and all accessories, noting how it is routed. Install the new drive belt, making sure that it's properly routed among the pulleys. Rotate the tensioner slightly clockwise. Remove the metal rod, then slowly release the tensioner to apply tension to the belt. Install the right side inner fender splash shield. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.